In this video, we'll guide you through the easy setup and usage of the Hester M3 window cleaning robot. First, we need to install the yellow cleaning cloth. Make sure you don't block the anti-drop sensors on the bottom of the robot. Next, we're going to open up this silicone cover. Using water or the cleaning solution of your choice, we're going to fill the reservoir. Insert the DC connector into the robot's power interface and tighten the nut. Then, just plug in the power supply.
Okay, let's get started. Turn the power switch on and make sure you see the fan rotating. Place the robot on the window about 10 to 20 centimeters from the back of the frame. Once the robot attaches securely, just press the start button to begin cleaning.
There are 4 cleaning modes to choose from, depending on the type of window you're cleaning. First, we have Z mode, which is perfect for wide windows. This mode focuses on horizontal cleaning, ensuring that it covers every inch of the surface. Next up, we have N mode, designed for vertical cleaning. This is ideal for tall windows. So, if you're cleaning a narrow or high window, this will get the job done. Finally, there's the ZN mode, which combines both horizontal and vertical cleaning. This is the most thorough option, giving you deep cleaning results. For extra precision, you can use the target cleaning mode. Simply use the directional buttons on the remote to move the robot to the specific spot you want to clean. The robot also has an automatic spray function. When cleaning left, right, or down, the robot activates the corresponding spray to ensure a thorough clean. Keep an eye on the cloth. If it gets too dirty, replace it with a fresh one and restart the cleaning process. Once the window's clean, it's time to polish. Remove the yellow cloth and attach the blue one to give your window that extra shine. Once cleaning's complete, take the robot off. Press and hold the start button to slow down the fan, then carefully remove it from the surface. And that's it. Your Hester M3 is now ready to keep your windows sparkling clean with minimal effort.